Hello guys, welcome once again with my next video tutorial 16. I will show you the effect of the light source and material of the object. So in the lighting, there are two things that determine the appearance of an object, namely source of light in environmental influence on light, and 2. The material of object that model how the material react to the light source. Usually, the light generated from the resultant, respectively directed light source polygon is a OpenGL array uniformly illuminated by ambient component regardless of the orientation and position. Now I will show you how to make the lighting like that, like this picture. Yeah, we can correct the light by click on this and move the mouse for change the color, lighting, and anything else like that. I will show you. Will change red and red, so the color will be changed. This is the light, so yeah, like that. Now I will show you the code for make this program. The first, we must to create the header file glm.h like that. So we will include the class.h and declare this and define function like that. The first glm none for radar with only a vertex, and then the radar with fact normal, facet normal, and then the radar with a vertex normal, the radar with vertex chord, the render with color, the render with material. So this is the code for GM material. Default command and ambient command, specular command, emissive command, specular component, exponent. GLM triangle is the structure that defines the triangle in a model. For type struct and the first line for array triangle vertex index, and two lines for array of a triangle normal detect in index, and the second line for array of triangle take call index, and the last for index or triangle fixed normal. And this for a GLM group structure that define a group of in the model in a model. So this is the name of this group, and name triangle is a number of triangle in the group, and triangle is a array of triangle index, and and material for index to the material for the group, and this pointer to the next group in model. So we must to declare structure GLM model structure that define a model. For pattern to this model, name of the material library, name of the vertex in model, array of vertex, number of normal in model, arrays of normal, number of tag call in model, arrays of textures coordinate, number of fact norm in model, and arrays of fixed norm, and numbers of triangle in model, arrays of triangle. The number of material is model and array of material, number of group in model, list of group, position of the model. Yeah, must to do code like that. Yeah, this for glm.h, and this code for glm.ccp. We must to declare this header file, and then declare a glm node, general purpose node. glm make return the maximum of two float, and glm abcs for return the absolute value of the float. glm dot for compute the dot product of two vector, u for array of 3 gl float, and v for array of 3 gl float. Float u for float 2, and v for gl float v3. And in here for a glm cross, compute the cross product of two vector. U, v, and n. U is array of 3 gl float, gl float u equal array 3 right here. GL normalize for normalize vector. GL equal for compare to vector and return GL true if they are equal. Within the content threshold or GL false if not, and echelon that work fairly well is 1.00001 like that. So we must to do code one by one like that. This for GLM with vector, white vector. So we must to do code right here. This code so long. Now we start to the main function. the main program, we must to include the header file like that, and then set the entry point to be main. Here we must to write code like here. Oh. Yeah, I will show you again. This code. Difficult to solve because it's long. Yeah, I start run it to show the result again instead to in here. Black. Thank you for listen to my video, for sees my video. I hope you enjoy with my video. See you next video and bye for now.